Traveling through small Lunstena, winding roads and forest green. Every mile takes me farther to a place I've never been. Sun sets as I keep driving, shadows dance with evening breeze. Heart beats near that old stone castle in the stillness of the trees. Oh, Torpa Stenhurst calls by night, a shelter in the moon's soft light, dreams beneath the ancient skies. Torpa Stenhurst feels so right. Stars are painting constellations as I lay my head to rest, next to walls that tell me stories of a time so grand and blessed.
Stopping for lunch in a Swedish breeze, open fields and tall, tall trees. Bread and cheese and a gentle tease. Nature's whispers got me at ease. Sun shining bright on my face, finding peace in this quiet place. Birds chirping in a slow, slow pace. Feel the warmth, feel the Høyt oppe blant skyene, et rike uten tid. Der hjertet finner ro i Norges eventyr vi. Turn into another vid from the Silas Roads crew. Your time here always counts. Yeah, we made it thanks to you. Watch us on your screen. Every day we're gonna grow. Hit that like, don't you miss. Feel our channel